Well, hello everyone, welcome back to Strike Zone Fishing. Today, we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to be feeding guppies and crickets to these guys. Moby's right there. I see he's sitting out there a lot, and there's, oh, Blub, okay, there he goes. But if you're new here, the bass is Moby and this pumpkin seed's Blubby. And if you've already been here, you probably know I have videos on them before. But today, we're going to feed them some crickets and guppies. We're going to get them at Petco, so let's head over there. Off to Petco. And the crazy thing is the temperature is currently 52 degrees here in Massachusetts, so it feels like summer, and I'm very happy about that. So hopefully we're going to be getting the boat by the end of this month, the bass boat. So I am very excited about that, and yeah, and I'll hopefully do some videos on it this summer. So yeah, and we're off to Petco, so let's go. Here we are. I said Petco, but we're kind of going to PetSmart, so. You're gonna get these guys. Comet goldfish. Okay. Sure. Well, I'll find a legit ones, but sure. 15 large crickets. Why?
Well, I'm gonna get 15 to 20 of them.
So we bought 17?
17.
17 of these guys. Hopefully the fish will like them. And some plant seeds. Because why not? Anyway, we're gonna head back home. Ready. So, we're gonna open the bag up. Bassy already bit through the bag. Well, not through it, but he tried to eat it through the bag, so. A blub dead. That's a blub.
Okay.
And that's a mob.
Ready?
Yeah. Okay, we're free. Not for long. I just noticed there's one little gray one.
Oh, yeah.
What if I noticed a gray one? Let's leave it alone.
He's 3, right? 3 or 4 already.
Yeah. Okay. Well, everyone, that's gonna wrap up this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please like and subscribe. Bye.